Hello and welcome to STEAM Executive, the Brain Success course. Uh, we are today covering the lesson 32 of the module 5. My name is Mahesh Trivedi and I am Strength and Life Coach and NLP practitioners at STEAM Executive, and I'll be going through this lesson. This particular topic is gather your resources. So, as you have already seen, the previous lesson was about the importance of the balance in your life. When your life is out of balance, it is easy to be unhappy. So, this lesson deals with resources. So, determining your resources and gathering them together. Any plan requires resources to execute and ensure that you have what you need in the place. For most goals, you are going to need more than just yourself with your current level of knowledge and expertise. You will often require other people, advice, education, and new skills. The internet makes it much easier to find the people and other resources you require. So, starting point, the get the help you need. How? Consider number one, determine what you need to learn. Do you already know everything you need to know in order to be successful? Most importantly, do you know enough to get started? What do you need to learn to take the first step? Remember, all the potential resources they, they are they might be available to you, like internet, books, online courses, local educational facilities, clubs, audio programs, YouTube and other videos, and of course people. Number two, a mentor or a coach can be most valuable resource. Imagine having access to someone that has accomplished what you are trying to accomplish. Unless your goals are highly unusual, someone else has already done it. So seek out those people and ask for the assistance. You have probably had a golf coach or piano teacher or other type of mentor in the past. In the past, so it makes sense to have a coach for losing weight or launching an online business too. Number three is time. Do you have the necessary time available? Some goals don't require any more than you are already spending time. Like sticking to a budget might actually save time since you won't be outspending money as much. However, most goals require time. Unless you currently have free time to spare, you will have to steal time from other activities. Surfing the internet or playing on your phone or watching TV are the most common time wasters. You may have to drop some more meaningful activities too. If you can't make the time for your goals, you might need better, more inspiring goals. Number four is other resources. If you are going to be a guitar player, you will need a guitar. So, do you have everything you need, like a computer, soccer ball, three-piece suit, office space, reliable transportations, business cards, the ability to cook healthy meals? Make sure you have everything you require. And you may need financial resources also to meet many of your goals. If that's true, one of your goals might need to be financial in nature. There are few things you can do completely on your own. You are likely to need new information, new skills, advice, or money to achieve your goals. So, identify the key resources you will need and acquire them. Avoid underestimating the value of a great mentor. With a plan and the proper resources, you are almost ready for action. But it would be wise to look ahead and identify your potential obstacles. Identifying obstacles is the focus of the next lesson. So, get started on the tips in this lesson. Um, Choosing one of your goals and carefully determine the resources you will require to achieve it. Consider if a mentor would be helpful. So, who would you choose to guide you to the success? So, this is all about lesson on gather your resources. Complete additional um, activities in additional resources of this lesson, and and bye for now. I will see you in the next lesson.